This is a fourth dismount position from the double captain hook. It's a little bit more complicated, it's a little bit more floor work, but once you get it, it's pretty fun. I'll demonstrate for you. It looks really difficult, but it's not. I'll break down the move for you. So here's our captain double hook, single hook, double hook. Once I land here, I'm gonna fall back. Lean back, let both legs come up over the pole, swing them around the pole. Push yourself onto your hips. One hand comes on the pole. As you pull up with that arm, you pull yourself up onto your feet and to a standing position. I'll demonstrate one more time for you.